Hi guys. So now let's do the EVNG installation. So as we have the ISO file, so we have to install as a machine. So go to create and register VM. Yes, this time we need to create a new virtual machine. Next, give it a name EVNG for 40 gate testing. Guest OS family, you can just put the Linux as the EVNG is a Linux based platform, and you can choose one of the related one. So I'm just using the Ubuntu Linux, right? Say next. Again, depending on your storage, I'm just choosing one of them. CPU, as of now, I'll just give, let's say, 16 CPU. The RAM, I'll give 128 GB RAM. And the storage, let's say I'll provide 250 GB storage. Again, this is up to your machine, your platform, what machine you're using, right? Network adapter, as I want to give a internet connectivity to this VM. So I'll be using here my VM network. By default, that comes with the ESXi, or in the case, once you will install the VMware Workstation, you will have the clear idea. So in our VMware Workstation, we have seen how we can use one internet connection, right? Here I'm using VM network. Now CD DVD. So just go here, database ISO file, yes. And from here, you can upload your file. Click here. And what I want to upload the EVNG ISO file, this one, and just say open. So this will upload and then we can select it. So this is uploading if you see. Okay. So now we have the image ready. So here, this is the image, right? Just select this image and just say next. All these things are fine. Just say finish. So here we see EVNG 40 gate testing. Just click here. And CPUs are fine. Memory is 128 GB and hard disk is 250 GB and VM network we are using. All good. Just start this machine. So yes, we need to install. So this will take some time. So let me take a pause and we'll start on the options. We can choose the option here, English keyboard, done. Select yes. Continue. This will take some time, so let me take a pause. So this is almost done. Okay, so the username password we have is root and Eve, E-V-E. Let's try again, root, E-V-E. So once, if you see the login is incorrect, just wait for the secondary installation. So that is in progress. So let's wait. I'll just take a pause here. And then once this is done, I'll just start again. Okay, so once you see this one, it is done. And here we can also see like the default username password. So let's try with the default username password, root, Eve. And now we are able to log in. So let's type the password, Eve. Hostname, if you want to change, you can. Leave it. DHCP, yes, we can get the DHCP IP. Okay. So this will auto reboot. Root, Eve. Perfect. So we can log in. So this is how we can do a setup. We can install the EVNG, and just to make sure everything is up to date, so we can just update this Linux, right? So we can run few commands to update apt apt update. This is done. And one more command we can run here, apt upgrade. All done, nothing required. And finally, we can run one more command just to verify the installation is done or not. So let me see if you are able to see. dpkg-l evng. You can run this command, and yeah, you need to have this output 6.2.0-4. So this is what we installed actually. So we have done the evng installation. So in the next video, we'll see how we can import the images.